Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. In today's class, what we are going to study, we are going to learn how to draw the diagram of dispersion of white light and recombination of white light. First, let us try to draw the dispersion of white light diagram. Take a straight line of around 6 centimeters and exactly at 3 centimeters mark a point and basic of constructing a triangle perfectly, right? Construct a triangle neatly first of all. If you take a side of around 6 centimeters, it will be looking very good. Okay, after this name the triangle as ABC. Now you take a white light. Okay, white light passing towards the glass prism and extended light ray you can keep like this. This is the white light. As soon as the light ray touches the prism's one side, it will get refracted and also it will get dispersed. Actually, this is the original light ray direction, but the refracted light rays will bend until here. Okay, they will bend towards the base of the prism like this, and afterwards, the minimum, the least color, it will be somewhere here. Okay, the color which is above, it will be the red color which is at below bottom, it will be the violet color. Okay, as the this one will be red color, I'll write the colors at the end, and as they reaches the other surface of the prism, again they will bend towards the base. This was the original direction, again they have to bend like this. Okay, again they will bend like this. This was the original direction, again they will bend like this. So now this one will be the red color and this one will be the violet color. So what happens here, as soon as the white ray touches here, refraction and dispersion will happen, and as the dispersed rays touches the other side, they will again refract. Okay, so this one will be the red color, this one will be the violet color. Now what about the recombination? To get the recombination, we need to take one more triangular prism which is present in terms of inverted position here. Okay, let us place one more prism, one more triangular prism here. If we place one more triangular prism here, then when we make the dispersed light ray pass through it, the emergent light ray coming, first thing is the light ray which white light came into the prism for the first prism, the white light coming out from the second prism, they should be parallel. This is the first thing to be maintained. Okay, and again the point here where it will go, this point should be given to these 2 points. These two dispersed light rays are coming like this, correct? And this is one more dispersed light coming like this. This should be joined to here like this, and this also should be joined here. Okay na? So this will be the perfect dispersion and recombination diagram. And here it comes again white light, and here it will be white light. Okay, thank you so much. In the next video we'll learn how to draw the diagram of a rainbow.